Hello,
Hi.
hello, Sameer. Can I call you Sameer?
Yes, of course you can. Like
All
my name is
right.
Samir. Yeah.
Okay. Good afternoon, Sameer.
Good
Uh,
afternoon.
so, did we get cut off? Were we not able to discuss something yesterday that we missed? Is there anything you want to discuss today that we were not able to cover yesterday?
No, yesterday we covered all things like I was confusing regarding how to compliment. Then after that, you
Yeah, yeah,
mentioned that how to improve English language and vocabulary
yeah,
XYZ. So I think
yeah.
yesterday we covered whole things, whole stuff.
So,
Yeah.
did I mention any resources that you could use? Could you just quickly tell me which is your biggest struggle area? Is it pronunciation or grammar?
Yes, ma'am. Pardon me. Please repeat again.
Could you tell me in which aspect of English language do you struggle the most? Is it pronunciation or grammar?
Yeah, first pronunciation and little bit grammar. I do not concentrate, I do not focus grammar, but I can say pronunciation and about speaking part. Yeah.
Okay, so there is a YouTube channel called Learn English Lab. So
Okay.
this person will teach primarily in English, but
Hmm.
he speaks slowly,
Okay.
and he actually emphasizes all the words of English very, and he
Mhm.
talks very clearly, and he gives very simple, straightforward examples. So there
Okay.
was he did a video called Subject Verb Agreement, which I think is very useful for most people because
Okay.
when you use a singular noun,
Mhm.
you need to use a verb differently, and when you have a plural noun, you need to use a verb differently. And then when you're
Mhm.
talking about first person, second person, third person, then also the verbs tend to differ,
Okay.
right? So
Right.
that would be a useful channel for you. You can maybe watch a few videos. I have seen his videos on tenses and subject verb agreement, but I
Mhm.
think if he does videos, if a good English teacher does videos on common mistakes, then it's
Okay.
better to go watch those videos again and again and again, so that you
Mhm.
know that okay, this is a common mistake most people make. So you might hear your friends making that mistake. You don't want to pick it up.
Yeah, of course, I'll do
Yeah,
myself. Like even
yeah.
in this day, I'm watching a lots of video from YouTube video like about grammar, about
Mm.
pronunciation, and about practice part like how to deliver your continuous story. And I try to listen a podcast also, and I try
Okay.
to speak with a stranger like 1 hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes like that.
Okay.
So
Okay. That's
this is
great.
my
So you're
yeah.
already doing a lot. So the thing is, there are certain teachers. When I want to learn a skill, there are certain teachers I'm going to resonate with because I like the way they explain. Right.
Mhm.
So I don't know, when I went through this guy's videos, he
Mhm.
actually he simplifies the content
Okay.
to avoid unnecessary complications. And after you see his videos, then you can move on to maybe a lesson by a native speaker, right?
Okay.
Because you already have a foundation in the concept, because you have learned the examples which are very basic and straightforward, and from there you can level it up, right? So,
Yes.
so I mean that's how I learn if I want to learn a topic or any particular
Okay.
concept, not necessarily just English, just about any concept. So that's
Mhm.
how I do my research. So something for you to think about.
Yes, yes, of course, of course.
Okay. Right. So let's move on to the session topic if you don't have
Yes.
any further questions. So today's session topic is quite interesting. We are going to discuss celebrities, right? So,
Mhm.
is there any celebrity you look up to, and what qualities about that celebrity uh, uh, when I say qualities, I mean every celebrity either has a mannerism, a style of talking. In
Mhm.
case of a sports person, they are able to handle a lot of pressure. So
Mhm.
I want you to think about what kind of celebrities do you look up to, and why do you think they are your role models? Role model is a strong word, but why do they inspire you?
Yes, yes. Yeah, if you talk about celebrities, so they are good first thing. Why they became a celebrity? Because they already achieved something. They already got a success, and they very famous in the world in India if we talk about in India especially, so lots of celebrity available. If I talk about Bollywood industry and Tollywood, even I saw on my, I like Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Shahid Kapoor, because I'm living in Mumbai. So
Yeah.
if and if I talk about they have a good role. If we discuss about Salman Khan, so he's a soft heart. He has a good manners. He always try to help a people. And second thing, like he created something like a trustee over there.
Yeah.
Thousand of people, thousand of children are doing a study. And how do we call that thing, like orphan? They people, they student belong to, their children belong to orphan life. So he's
Hmm.
helping a lot. So I can
Hmm.
say my aspire, my ideal, like Salman Khan. He's a very famous,
Okay.
and he's a good guy. So we can
Hmm.
call, he's a good celebrity. He help a
Hmm.
lot in front of people. His
Okay.
heart is so pure, we can
Okay.
say. Yeah.
Okay. I'm
And
going to make it I'm going to make it a little controversial now.
yeah,
So
okay.
Salman Khan, he has a lot of cases against him. Most of them have been dismissed now. But do you think that the fact that he started an organization called Being Human and
Mhm.
whatever charity work he's doing, was that an attempt on behalf of his public relations manager to clean up his image?
Mhm.
Because 10, 15 years ago, he got into a lot of controversy for hunting, for running his car over the people.
Mhm.
And obviously, when somebody commits unknowingly, also if somebody commits such a serious crime, people do
Mhm.
not want to see that person in the role of a hero because his
Mhm.
actions outside the movie are not matching up to his on-screen image. Do you think
Yes.
that there might be people involved who actually started cleaning up his image, or do you think he genuinely learned from his mistakes?
Actually, see, we are human beings. Obviously, we can, we can do mistake. Everyone can do it. But if you repeat your mistakes, so this is, we could not say like you are wrong, you are right, guy. This is just mistake because you are
Hmm.
repeating your mistake. So same thing, if you make a mistake and you try to repent yourself, so we can call to this is like a good way to like helping a people and working yourself. But if I discuss like celebrity, what is a criteria like that? So whoever become a celebrity, so those people always think about like who am I and how do I help a people, like good way and bad way. Even in lockdown period, maybe you heard about Sonu Sood. Sonu Sood,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
he's the outstanding guy. In lockdown period, he helped a lot of people, we can say. Like I
Hmm.
saw lots of video regarding his, like people are making a video with him and he's helping a lot. Like suddenly what happened, I watched one video, and that was one of guy, he was suffering some kind of financial and something. Okay, he was
Okay.
student and he came from Kerala to Mumbai. He came by walk. He visited his
He,
Sonu Sood home, and over there he tried to like explain a problem, like I'm suffering financial, even I don't have a money, like so he tried to share a problem with the Sonu Sood. Then he listened a
hmm.
story. Then after that he decided like I will help you, whatever you want I will give. So we can say
Hmm.
easily he trust people. If I talk about Sonu Sood, so he's
Hmm.
also like pure guy. He's also like it's angel, we can say, we can call to
Yeah.
angel. Yeah.
So you look up to people who actually use their power and influence to help the general public or people who are struggling in society, particularly the lower strata of society.
Because we make like you are celebrity, we are watching your movies, your show, your expert, then you are going to become a celebrity. So
Hmm.
your responsibility to like just help a people, you know
Right.
help a people,
Yeah.
because we made you are actor, you are actress,
That's
we
right.
are audience. We can we can choose your good leader, a bad leader, we can say. So your
Okay.
responsibility just help a people, and if you help, definitely people try to call like you are angel, you are good celebrity. So this is a, so like it's a quality. If we talk about quality, first thing like help a people, and second thing understand like what is the right, what is the wrong behavior, also very important. And don't show your like I'm a rich person, I have an attitude and xyz. So this is like a quality for celebrity. If you have, then we can call to you are good celebrity.
So you think people who are helpful, who are humble, right, and they are and set a good example for other people, they set a good example, people actually want to imitate that celebrity because he's doing good deeds.
Yes.
And he's aware of the consequences of every action he makes in front of, in the public eye, right? Those kind of people you look up to.
Yes.
Right, that's great. So that's a great thought process. So I know that sports person, there, for instance, cricketers. Cricket is a very popular game in India, right? And obviously it's given a lot of importance. The media gives it a lot of importance. Similarly, for movies, it's a major source of entertainment. So the media gives it a lot of importance. So thanks to the popularity, anybody who works in these streams, anybody who becomes a cricketer or works in the movies will automatically become famous. That is going to be, that is the part of the job. But can you think of any other professions where you feel the people are working very hard, but they are underappreciated? They do not get enough publicity. Any industry, any kind of skilled workers that you feel that they are doing a great job, but they are not getting enough attention?
Yes.
And because of that, please continue.
If we discuss about like who are struggling but they do not get attention, public attention, so those people, those things we can call to in cricket department, cricket profession, okay, like they struggle a lot, but no anyone take care about like what they are doing. No anyone talk about like he's a good guy, he's a bad guy. Even I don't remember one of his story. Actually, it's a long time ago. I saw one of cricketer. If we talk about Mahendra Singh Dhoni, he's also very famous in this world, like as a cricketer, and he's also like a great guy. He's also like we can call to one of celebrity.
Yeah, he's a good person. Yeah,
he's a good person, cool captain, and recently he became a mentor in India, like coaching as a coach.
Yeah.
If you
but forget about cricket. Cricketers, to be honest, even at state level, they make good money, right? They can easily earn 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Playing at state level, they may never get famous, but there is a lot of money in cricket. The thing is that the downside of not enough attention or publicity is that other sports, they are not attracting that kind of funding from advertisers, from corporate houses, because people are not interested in, let's say, track and field games. I mean, Neeraj Chopra, after he won a gold medal in an international competition, which is of the highest level, only then after that he became rich. Because prior to this, he's probably working for 10 to 12 years, training for at least 10 years, in silence. And nobody knew who he was, right? So similarly, do you think there are other sports, other professions?
Little bit Neeraj Chopra before won the match, okay, he was just normal guy. And if we talk about his Instagram, so got around 300k something, like a follower. But same thing when he won a gold medal, so that moment within an hour he got a 3 million to 4 million followers on Instagram. So you can say audience, when they look like if we give example like one of Priyanka Chopra, Mary Kom, maybe you heard about Mary Kom.
Yes, I've heard of Mary Kom.
When movie released in a society, so that moment we know that like one of lady, she won a gold for India, but before movie we didn't know who was Mary Kom.
Yeah.
But right now, no one talk about Mary Kom because this is not like publicity. This is not they are not celebrity, we can say, but they did a
Yeah.
struggle. They did a, lots of struggle. They won a
Yeah.
like gold medal for India.
Yes.
So no one talk about. So this is reality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right. So,
So ma'am, come to the point. Like this is
Hmm.
all about celebrity. We discuss about a fantastic way, and seriously, I'm learning from you.